Alright, y'all, so just picture this in your head real quick. It's June 6, 2001. The Lakers versus the 76ers. This was around the time when the Lakers had Shaquille O'Neal, and they had Kobe Bryant. Rest in peace, Kobe Bryant. You know, Mamba, forever. Anyways, so it's June 6, right? And this is overtime. They're in overtime. Somehow, the Sixers are winning by 2 points. Less than a minute left. Less than a minute, okay? This was around a little less than 50 seconds left into the game, I believe. Iverson has the ball. Allen Iverson. For those who don't know who he is, go check out that dude's history. He used to break people's ankles when on court. But anyways, yeah, so less than a minute. He has the ball. Lou's defending him. Iverson does what he does. He's able to shake him off. He comes through with that fadeaway shot. They're winning by 4 points now. The Lakers somehow lost. They lost. Iverson was able to turn everything around. It was such an incredible game. And the dude that was defending him, Lou, after that shot, Lou fell on the floor. After that fadeaway shot, Lou fell on the floor. And Iverson decided to basically step over him after the shot. And that is exactly why this shoe over here is called the step over, this colorway right here. Because this is the same exact shoe and the same exact colorway Allen Iverson wore when he did what he just did. So let's go take a look at this real quick. But for those who are new, welcome to the channel, Kicks and Beats. This is a channel that gives back to the hood, so you know what's good. Make sure to like and subscribe. It's time to get into this bad boy right here. Man, I'm so hyped to open this because honestly, I really like how they look in the photos on the internet, so I really want to see how this looks in person. This is the Reebok Answer 4. And seeing that this came out June 4, which was just like 2 days ago, you can basically see this is a 20th anniversary shoe because that day where, you know, he did what he did, that occurred, like I told you guys, on the 6th of June. So, yeah, 20th anniversary for sure. Let's get into this. Shout out to Extra Butter. You guys helped me win this. I somehow won the draw. Appreciate it. I love winning draws, man. Like, it's so hard for people to hit on draws, you know. You don't win all the time. You barely do. So, yeah. Shipping was really quick, super quick. Alright. Let's show you the design of the box real quick. Here's the tag in the front. Man. Moment of truth. Receipt. Bro, these are fire. Such an old silhouette, and it's still fire today. I like these. I like these. Black on white. Do I even have something like this in my Yeezy collection or Jordan? Nah. Black on white. I don't think so. Just within a few seconds of viewing these, this is staying in the collection. Definitely staying in the collection. But anyways, let's talk about the shoe real quick. This features leather everywhere. The white upper, the black upper, it's all leather. This here is definitely a mudguard, but it feels like it's made out of leather too. It feels like a leather mudguard. I believe this is a leather mudguard. This is all leather right here. That's pretty cool. You got Allen Iverson's face over here within the sole. And here it says, only the strong survive. Non-marking outsole. I like the design. Tell me not, guys. This looks real nice. This is a nice looking shoe for sure. This is a nice basketball pair right here. And of course, you got a little Velcro piece over here to cover this right here, the zipper tip. And this is basically to hide a lacing system located underneath, guys. We do have a lacing system underneath. Check out the tongue. The top of the tongue. It's not that thick of a tongue. pretty decent. It's like in between. Not too thin, not too thick. Made in Vietnam. Check out the tag inside. These look nice. I'm surprised. These shoes should be blowing up, honestly. I don't know why I don't see people wearing these outside. This is a real nice looking pair. I'm impressed. You got a pull tab over here in the back as well. Iverson engraved in the back. And this is a nice shoe right here. This is a nice shoe. Dude, the lace holders you can see here, this is unique. Guys, let me know how you feel about this. Copper drop. Let me know within the comment section below. This is, not for nothing, I think I could turn some heads outside with this shoe. This is a crazy joint right here. Can we pull out the insole? Yeah. It feels real sticky down here. I don't know why, but it's real sticky. The insole. Is it sticky in there too? No, it's not. It's sticky. This piece. Alright, so let's show you that on feet look real quick. We're gonna have to get to it. Well, there you have it, guys. The Answer 4 Step Over by Reebok. Such an amazing shoe. I love how it looked on foot. I'm definitely keeping this. No questions asked. And for those wondering about sizing, you can go true to size. When you go true to size, it feels so good. Like, it's not snug and you don't feel extra space. It hits just right. And the shaping of the shoe, I don't know why, but it feels real good. Like, real good geometry with this shoe. I highly recommend it. It's comfortable, definitely is. It doesn't have boosts or anything like that, but it's pretty comfortable for sure. Anyways, thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys. Once again, if you haven't clicked like, please hit like, and if you're brand new, hit subscribe because we got more stuff coming through soon. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Take care, y'all.